With the news, back at it again in the vlog, and we just recently made a fort. The entrance right, it comes all the way to right here. All this.
I'm the inside builder, Eddie outside builder. Look like a pussy at me. This Aldo, construction manager, he the blueprint guy that was just playing Pokemon Go, fucking hacker. I'm not hacker like me.
Everybody who plays Pokemon Go, report him. He's hacking the game, teleporting the game. Go kick him and ban him. So and now let's go check out the fort. Alright, so you know we in here. We made a fort at the Walmart by Ike, and we made a fort. Apparently everyone's doing it, so I decided to do one. And I'm over here with the boy Showtime.
Showtime, your boy Showtime. Follow me.
It will be in the link description below. Alright, so you know we just almost got caught. Oh shit. There's a big one like this in the front. And he almost took it out. And there's nothing here, so he could have seen us. And right now, some worker just walks by, and we have our boy Aldo outside. He's about to come in right now.
But he don't really want to though. He don't really want to come in. But some bitch he fucking took that shit off right there. Almost got God, my head was right there. I ain't got no walls.
The boy Aldo, the homie Showtime, he's somewhere over there. So what we doing?
So I call my boys up. These ugly ass fat nigga backs. And this what we doing today. We gonna hunt us some ghostly figures.
Of course it's gonna have dead people. What the fuck you think this is? A museum of alive people? Don't say that shit. This way. Oh. Here with the homie Chris.
Yo.
Subscribe to his channel. Hosted with my brother, his girlfriend, his daughter. Naya, come here. Say hi.
Hi.
We're out here about to get wet. Oh fuck! What is it? Oh, we look. That's today's vlog. Hope you guys liked it. Like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done that yet. The potluck was a great success. Not the whole team came, but it was real good. As you can see, we had fun in the water slide. The leader was out there. We might have another one, but the leader said next time we have a potluck, he will be having a mechanical bull. So let's hope for that. And don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. And I'll see you guys on my next video.